Well, happy holidays, everybody. It's getting to be about that time of year, not just getting to be. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a clothespin menorah. I've done this with a couple of groups the last few days, and I've gotten an overwhelmingly um, just wonderful response to it. It's been great for the younger set. And a lot of the older kids, the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 year olds, have really enjoyed this project as well. And I'll show you why in a minute. Um, okay, what are you going to need? You're going to need some type of a stand. Now, I got these from Amazon, and I'll give you the link. These are like little baby um, branches with like a slit cut in them for a place card. You'll need some sort of a stand. You're going to need a sheet of cardstock. White is great. Colored is fine. And you're going to need 9 clothespins, one for each candle, and some type of markers. I love these. I love these metallic markers. These metallic jelly. Some type of markers. Good old Crayola box is always always nearby in my in my office. I also bought these glitter papers. They're really lovely. Um, they come in big sheets and they are just to peel and stick, which is great for kids who love shiny things and glitter without the mess and environmental impact as well. So I took these bigger sheets and cut them down into the smaller squares, make it easier for everybody to deal with. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I am going to fold my cardstock in half and half again. Try to get that as exact as possible. And then half again. This will be the base of the menorah. And that can slide right into this hole, the slit in here. So there you've got your menorah base. Here's the base, and here's where the candles are going to go. Okay, super. Now we can decorate the base any way we want. If you'd like, you can do that before you stick it in to here. That might make it a little easier to decorate any kind of swirls. After you've decorated your base paper, we're going to slide that right into the holder. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to take our candle. Now you can do whatever you want with these candles too. There's a lot of creativity available to you. So as we all know, there are going to be 9 total candles. If you'd like, you can put the center one higher up as the shamus, or of course you can always do that on the side too, make the side one the shamus. Now, let me talk to you for a second about clothespins. Pressing these clothespins together is not incredibly easy for smaller kids. So help them and show them how to press this so that this opens up and can go into here. This, by the way, is an incredible fine motor skill practice for children. They need the hand strength to push these, and they need the hand-eye coordination to bring it to a place and be able to let it go, stick. So this is a wonderful, wonderful way to play and practice hand-eye coordination. So from here, something you can do, a couple of things you can do is you can add the glitter paper and to make the flames. So what I do is I take the back of this piece, I turn it over, and I draw some kind of, I draw the kind of flame I want. Maybe something like this. Cut that out. Peel off the back. Again, another great fine motor skill for small kids. Peeling off the back and stick that on. You can make 2 flames out of one of these for sure. Maybe I'll move this one over to a different clip. And then you can use the scraps from your flames to decorate your base if you'd like. Super. You can also color in the clothespins. Um, Markers work great, and watercolors are a great thing to use on wood pieces too. They give a nice grain. Super. So we'll stand that up right here. And what's really great about this project is that there is no fire. So um, it's transportable and it's super safe. And so we'll start out with just the start your Hanukkah with just 2 candles. We'll take this one and light that one. There we go. And then each night we'll add another candle. Now, if it were me, I might consider doing side by side just for balance purposes. You'll see how your menorah works. And each night that your child can flip another candle on, light it, and then move the shamus back. Or they can, of course, have all the candles on there at once, which a lot of kids like to do, I've noticed. there you go. So let me know if you make a clothespin menorah, and all the supplies for this project are on my website blog, and I'll link that with this video. Happy Hanukkah.